Feet are flat on the floor, about hip distance apart, all four corners of your feet, hands on your thighs. Inhale, and as you exhale, coming into your forward fold, whatever that looks like for you. On an inhale, come halfway up, look at me. On an exhale, forward fold. On an inhale, come all the way up, arms come all the way up and out. Now on your exhale, can you bring your left knee in and bend over like you want to kiss your knee? An inhale brings our arms back out and up. Exhale, the right knee. Just bending over, kiss your knee. Inhale, you come all the way back up. Exhale, your arms come into cactus and you lean forward a little bit, pull in your navel, looking at the ground. So this is to strengthen your core. On an inhale, you come up. On an exhale, you turn your body, twisting to look over your left shoulder. On an inhale, you come back to me. And on an exhale, you turn to look over the right. Inhale back to me. Exhale, your hands come into prayer. That's one round of a sun salutation. So we'll do it again, and we'll begin with the right side when we do our lifting. So we inhale, the arms come up, hands come to the thighs, come into your forward fold as you exhale. Inhale, push yourself halfway up, look at me. Exhale as you come into the forward fold. Inhale, arms come all the way up to the sky. On your exhale, kiss your right knee, rounding over. Inhale, the arms come back up to the sky. On your exhale, kiss your left knee. Inhale, come on back up. Arms come into cactus. On your exhale, leaning over as much as feels comfortable, pulling in your navel. Inhale yourself back up, this time turning to look over the right as you exhale. Inhale back to me. Exhale, turn to look over the left. Inhale back to me. Hands come into prayer. So we're going to do 2 more rounds of that. And as you get more comfortable, it'll feel more like a flowing motion. So inhale, arms come up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway up, look at me. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, all the way up, the arms come up. Exhale, kiss your left knee. Inhale, all the way up. Exhale, kiss your right knee. Inhale, all the way up. Exhale, arms in cactus, lean forward. Inhale, come on up. As you exhale, left elbow comes toward the waist, leaning over. Inhale back to me. Exhale, go in the opposite direction. Inhale back to center. Exhale, close into prayer. Last one. Inhale, the arms come out and up. As you exhale, come into your forward fold. Inhale, halfway up, look at me. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms come all the way up to the sky. Exhale, kiss your right knee. Inhale, arms come up to the sky. Exhale, kiss your left knee. Inhale, arms up to the sky. Exhale, arms in cactus, lean forward. Hold for a moment. Inhale, come on up. Exhale, right elbow to the waist. Inhale up. Exhale, left elbow to the waist. Come on up. Hands come into prayer. Wonderful. That's great. Good for you. Okay.